In a world where cleanliness is synonymous with serenity, the BISSELL SpinWave emerges as a long-awaited revolution in the realm of home cleaning. Imagine a device that not only promises to turn the chore of cleaning into an almost playful activity, but also delivers on that promise with astonishing efficiency. Let me take you on a journey to discover this technological gem whose sole purpose is to make your daily life more enjoyable. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. The BISSELL SpinWave is ideal for those looking for an effective and easy-to-use solution for cleaning and polishing all types of hard floors, from stone to hardwood. Perfect for dynamic households that value cleanliness and time saving. The BISSELL SpinWave is the perfect combination of power and gentleness. Equipped with a power of 105 watts, this electric wiper is unmatched in eradicating the most stubborn dirt from your floors while preserving their natural beauty. Its titanium and blue color gives it a modern design that is sure to harmonize with your interior. With its dimensions of 41 by 20 by 114.3 centimeters, it is compact enough to be maneuvered easily, but sturdy enough to handle the toughest tasks. But what truly sets the BISSELL SpinWave apart is its ability to effortlessly combine cleaning and polishing. Thanks to its washable spin pads suitable for both daily cleaning and stuck-on dirt, this two-in-one device guarantees you a spotless floor in no time. The wireless design would have been a plus, but its generously long power cord ensures great freedom of movement, thus eliminating the constraints related to battery life. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. One of the most innovative aspects of the BISSELL SpinWave is undoubtedly its on-demand spray feature. This feature allows you to precisely control the amount of cleaning solution applied to your floors, thereby avoiding potential damage to sensitive hardwoods. The pivoting control adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to maneuver the device with unmatched ease, even in the tightest spaces. The easy filling of the solution tank is another strong point of the BISSELL SpinWave. Gone are the days wasted preparing your device. Just a few simple steps are enough to make it operational. And with a noise level of only 56 decibels, cleaning your home will never disrupt the tranquility of your household again. But the true advantage of the BISSELL SpinWave lies in its versatility. Whether your floors are made of wood, whether it's tiles or even stone, this device adapts to all types of hard surfaces, cleaning them deeply without ever being aggressive. The recurring pads tackle embedded dirt, while the soft pads take care of more delicate surfaces, ensuring a personalized cleaning according to your needs. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. I now propose to summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility, capable of cleaning various types of hard floors with specialized pads for different levels of dirt. Advantage number 2, ease of use, enhanced maneuverability, thanks to the multi-directional control and an on-demand spray to adjust the amount of cleaning solutions. Advantage number 3, economical and environmentally friendly. The cleaning pads are washable and reusable, thus reducing the need to frequently purchase refills and decreasing waste. Advantage number 4, low noise level. At only 56 decibels, it allows for silent cleaning that does not disturb the home environment. Now, let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1, weight. At 431 kg, it may be considered heavy for some users, especially when transporting it between different floors of a house. In summary, the BISSELL SpinWave is much more than just a cleaner. It is a trusted partner in the pursuit of a clean and welcoming home. Its effectiveness, ease of use, and versatility make it an essential choice for anyone looking to invest in professional quality cleaning without the usual hassles. For those who are ready to revolutionize their cleaning routine, just one click is enough. Don't hesitate to click on the link in the description to order the BISSELL SpinWave at the best price, learn more about its exceptional features, and discover the hundreds of customer reviews that testify to its unparalleled effectiveness. Don't miss this opportunity to make your cleaning an unprecedented experience. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.